Hello, I'm Peter Flannery, founder of WISEplanning, creator of the Money Matrix program, the Lifestyle Positioner program, and Wise Asset Management. I worked with Theo for pretty much 10 years and often have him on that Theo started off emptying rubbish tins at WISEplanning. Of course, he's built for much greater things, and it wasn't long before Theo became that guy that everybody went to when there was something difficult or challenging or we didn't know how to do. Theo always was able to come up with some sort of solution. I worked with Theo over 10 years and was very fortunate to do so. And if you know Theo, you'll know that he's a very considered and deliberate person. More than that, he's a very caring person as well. We worked with Theo on a number of facets. One of the important things that Theo worked on for us, which has been very powerful, is automation. We struggled with the complexity of our business. It grew, and to a point where it became difficult to navigate certain aspects of it on a day-to-day basis. Theo looked at this, considered all the issues that we were facing, and including all the complexity, and came up with some simple systems to make processes run smoother. Also, he looked at AI as a way to develop automation on some of the functions within our business. That has been a real game changer for us. In fact, some of the processes and automations that Theo's put in, I stopped counting at around $65,000 in terms of the amount of money that it saved us. It will be well more than that. And Theo was actually only getting started by the time he decided to move on and set up his own business. I was very sad to see Theo go, but look, Theo has a lot of magic to share. And what I would say is, if you've met Theo and know him, you'd almost be not thinking straight to not have Theo on your team. Not only will he be able to do good work, he's intelligent, he's thoughtful, but he also cares. And that's just not something you're going to find out there everywhere. So in finalising my message about Theo, I would say I would work with him tomorrow in a heartbeat. And we still keep in touch, and we'll be likely collaborating in the future as he sets about his development of expertise around AI and other initiatives.